Okay. So last session we created themes that was even containing skin files. That skin file, two skin files we had. In one skin file we have formats of label control. In another skin file you have formats of calendar control. And you could very clearly see whatever the formats you have applied in the skin files, they will be reflected only at runtime. Design time, you don't find any effect, but when at runtime, you can see the effect of it. And in that, we have discussed what is called default skin, what is called named skin, and all that stuff. Okay. Today, we will extend this and will go a little further. And now, what I do is, for example, imagine this is what I do now. Okay. Select the label, go to properties. I wantedly will create what I'll create is CSS. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go to source window. Default.aspx. Why is it not showing? Leave style property. Right click properties. Okay, I'll change this font here. I'll make this text as bold. I'll make this text as italic also. And what else we'll try? Okay, we'll even underline it. Okay, three things I applied. Bold, italic, underline. Okay, let's run the code. And for a while, I won't apply theme. Later I'll write. Now execute the page. Theme is not there. Bold, italic, underline. Three things I apply. Okay. Right click, view source. First label, span tag. No? Span tag. Okay. Come down, come down, come down. Yeah. First label. Enter first name. Yes. Style property. Added. Font weight, font style, text decoration. Yes. Style property. Now what I will do, I will apply theme here. Yes, theme I applied. Save all. Run the code. Now this is applied. Right click, go to view source again. Enter first name, style. Automatically these all things are added. Background color, foreground color, border style, border color, everything. Okay. And one more interesting thing, what we will try now. One more interesting thing, what we will try. Go to design window. Remove all these properties. Remove. What all you remove? Font. Right click properties. Expand font. Make it false. Make it false. Make it false. Now wantedly you change foreground color. Foreground color to some different color. Yes, foreground color. I applied it with some color. Now run the code. Now you go to properties. First span tag. Yeah, enter first name. Here you can find color, background color, border color. It means whatever the color I have set, whatever the color we have set, that has been overwritten with the properties of a skin file. Whatever the properties you have set for this label, they all have been changed. So simple analyzation for our understanding. Whatever might be a format that you apply here, that will automatically override the content of themes. So you can simply conclude saying that style properties of theme overrides the local style properties of our control. Means whatever the properties you have set just now, they all will be overwritten by the settings that we have done in a theme. Okay. Now, one more thing. Because I already have removed theme here. So if I remove theme here, definitely it will not apply those formats. Default 2.aspx. Here also I remove theme. So from here also it is removed. Both the files. Theme is removed. Now you run first page. No formats are applied. Yes, no formats. Go to second page. No formats. Both of them are not applied with any formats. But to apply formats in every page we were writing. Now not required. We will write global, so that every page wherever that label control is used, right, will be applied with the key, right? How? Solution Explorer. You have web.config. Open that file, configuration file. In that configuration file, we have system.web as one tag in it. Inside it, you have a sub tag to be added called pages theme equal to theme one. Enough. Bus. Run the code and you can see an effect of it. Yes, run the code. You didn't write here, but it's global now. Format should be applied now. Yes, format should be applied for this first page. Yes, applied. Okay, now go back to second page as well. Second page. Here only I'll try to change. Default 2.aspx. Yes, here also format is applied. Yes. So where did you write? Where did you specify your theme? It is in web.config. When you write in web.config, you could very clearly see that whatever the theme that you have been specified, it will apply for all the web pages, for all the web forms, for all the web pages. Okay, and exactly same way, another approach also we have, another approach. And this time the approach is, say for example, I remove this, we'll go for individual only, just to demonstrate how to make global setting. I've just shown you with that. Now I go to default.html, and you can see now, I said already it will reflect only at runtime, but there is a property for us. There is a property, and the property is called style sheet theme. Yes, equal to theme one. Yes, same. Run the code. Yes. Now, question that arises: how is this property different from theme? So I'm asking style sheet theme, how it is different with theme property. So only one difference you can see. And the difference is style sheet theme will apply the themes to different controls at design time itself. You don't even need to have execution. Theme is applied before execution. Style sheet theme will be applied before execution, and theme will apply only at runtime. Only when you execute your code, then you could see your theme. Design time, runtime makes a difference. Okay, and now how do you link it? How do you link? Okay, let's go. We'll add one file. Close this for a while. Solution. I'll remove that source window. Remove this. Now, wantedly, I'll write Solution Explorer. Right click on the theme one. Add style sheet. Add style sheet. And I'll give the same style sheet dot css it is. Yes. Body. That would be same, like I write background, image colon, then URL. Okay, then you should give your image name. So I don't have, I don't have images, so better I add. Right click on the project, add existing item. My web apps. All files. Yeah, image 1, image 2, image 5 I'll select. Yes, added image 5. Okay, now I'll use here URL, and I write what is the image 5.jpg. .jpg. Okay, fine. Save. So I have to copy this even in that folder so that it could be available for us. C drive, CS batch 6 p.m. My web apps, image 5, copy, website 15, paste. Okay, no, it's already there. No? Okay, replace anyways. Okay, I removed. Right, and then I'll write one more, and this time I'll write something called dot some name I'll write C1, And in this dot C1, I'll write, what I'll write is, what I'll write, uh, font size, colon, large, semicolon. Then for color, no, font size, colon. Font size already here, no? Color, colon, aquamarine. Background color, colon, black. Yes. But remember this is C1. So for now what I do, there is no theme, however. Page 1, there is no theme. Right? And what is the class name? What is the class name? C1. Okay. Then go to default.aspx. Then go to design window. Select first control. Right click, go to properties. CSS class. CSS class, you should have the class name. Class name, what I give? C1. Okay. Save. When I run my code now, you can see, since there is no theme applied, enter first name should be applied with the style. No, not applied. So somewhere we are wrong. How do you provide your, what is this called, class? Class specification is what? How do you mention class name in style properties, Romana? Anand, how do you provide class property? It should be preceded with dot only if I'm not wrong. Just check once and update me. How do you specify? Class name. Dot only. Correct. I have written dot only. Class dot C1. Only C1. Dot C1. Dot C1, and we have to mention that in your style CSS. But it's not including. One second. C1 I give. Class name. Like only C1 you should give. Creation should be with dot. Creation should be with dot, and link should be with this one, C1. Reference will be with class name, and creation will be with dot C1. However, theme is not there. For that reason, I just want to show you that a theme folder can have skin files and CSS files. Just that demonstration I want to give. But problem is, if okay, let's run the code again. Default.aspx, start without debug. This should change, you know. I've applied. What format you applied? Background color, black, font size large, foreground color aquamarine, background color black. But what happened then? Yeah. We missed this point here. You have a rule. In order to include CSS file, your page should be connected with the CSS file. Here I should link Solution Explorer stylesheet.css. This file is there now. I should link with which file, which page? This this default.aspx. I should link with that. So what I should do, I should go to Solution Explorer, drag and drop. Yes, now you get, yes. Link tag, forgot a link tag. There is a reason it was not working. Let's try again. Yes, see there, background color black, foreground color aquamarine, and we have applied the property. Yes. Link tag with because style sheet is in separate file. Style sheet is in separate file, .css file, separate file. So obviously, in order to get the data of that style sheet, I have to link now. So we forgot that link. Just writing a class name, it doesn't know from where it should get that style. So once you create, and even you don't need to write. There is one other advantage of ASP.NET. In ASP.NET, especially in ASP web page, you don't need to write this link manually. Just drag and drop that file here over automatically. You can find that you'll be created with what? You'll be created with what? Link. Yes. Now then it is being applied. Yes. Now, are you interested for second also? You should add here. Add one property. CSS class equal to C1. Bas, over. Save. Run the code. Even second one also will be applied. Yes. That's it. Okay. Now currently theme contains what then? Theme. Why this is not applied then? I have said body also, right? Acha, design time you can see an effect. Default.aspx design. Somewhere we are wrong then. Image5.jpg. Why this background color is not at background image for default.aspx? Because it is the part of stylesheet.css. What happened? Background image colon URL I give image5.jpg semicolon. Okay. Go back to default.aspx. Go to design window. What happened? Run the code once. Style sheet. What happened? Background image5.jpg. Background image. Double quotes. Save. Default.aspx. Where it is? Direct you should get here because it is style sheet. No? Okay, run and see. No, that is not the issue. Double quotes. Oh, style sheet.css. I even linked it. Default.aspx. Background image. After background image, URL. Then in URL, background image URL. Do one thing. Let's try to move this into a skin. Okay, I moved it. Save. Now write again. Colon URL single quotes image5.jpg semicolon. Okay, come back. Run the code. Yes, supplied. Supplied. So path was not found. So I just referred theme. Okay, anyways, delete. Normal color I'll set. Background color, not image. Background color colon color name disk semicolon. Run the code. Default.acs is already applied. Already applied. Still light color will apply. Colon. Yes. Okay. Now, going further on this topic, now what we will try, I'll have one more theme now. Second theme. Right click on app themes, add ASP.NET folder theme. One more theme I added. One more theme. And in this, I'll have calendar skin, specially calendar. Add skin file. Skin file name. I'll call this as calendar 2 dot extension dot skin. Okay. Place calendar, copy the formats, and we'll remove back again. Formats. Add auto format. Professional 1. Professional 2. Okay. Now go to source window. Copy this calendar control. Go to calendar 2.skin. Paste. ID you remove. Rest all will be as it is. No change. Close. Default.aspx. Now I'm going to keep calendar control. Toolbox. Save. Now for this calendar, 2 formats should be applied. Calendar.skin will provide one format. Calendar2.skin is enough. That will apply one format. But how we want to apply, that is important. Now I'll keep 2 buttons here. Solution Explorer. Sorry. Go to Toolbox. Button. Yes. Another button. Yes. For this property element. Text. Text property. Apply theme. Apply theme 1. Yes. Button 2. Apply theme 2. Theme 2. For this property. Then I write here BTN apply theme 1. Then second BTN apply theme 2. Yes. Now even with this we can justify that one page can be applied with only one theme. That point we can justify. Okay, anyways, I already created. Now what you want to do is you want to link You want to link. Okay. Double click on the button. And you have to write here. Where when you click on this button, it should happen. Page dot theme equal to theme 1. Theme equal to theme 1. Then second button. Theme 2. Okay. Save. But if you notice this code, definitely that would be error. I just want to demonstrate. However, there is no theme applied here. Okay. There is no theme. So let's run. It's error no, because there are some rules to apply themes for your page through coding. Error. Click on apply theme 1. Read that message. What does it say? The theme property can only be set in or before page pre-init event. Page pre-init event, which means you are not supposed to write in direct button what you have written here, direct button. Okay, that will be applying your theme, no doubt, but still it is not allowing me. It's not allowing me. So for that, what you have to do, go to default.aspx, go to default.aspx.cs file, introduce a method now, protected void page pre-init object sender event args e block open. Yes, page pre-init. Now remember one thing. Remember this point. Whatever I'm going to write, this actually we are going to study in a topic called state management techniques. We have coming classes. After architecture, I'm going to talk on that. State management technique. There I will cover. But as of now, my intention is only to demonstrate. Don't worry about this code. You may not understand 100% because we are not aware of this topic actually. What is it? If session theme not equal to null, then I say page dot theme equal to session of theme dot to string. I already said nothing to worry. This is not our subtopic now. Important is only to understand that by default we are being found with pages being applied with your this one. Now page dot theme. Here you should write, not direct. I said already, not direct. The way you have written is wrong. Remove this and you should write now session theme. Same code you copy paste here and change this to theme 2. And here I should write response dot redirect. Then you should say request dot URL semicolon. Copy this content even in this one. Request dot URL. Why are you getting error? Request dot raw URL. Okay, copy this, apply here. Okay, now let's see. Especially you have to focus on calendar control. Yes, applied. Theme 2. Applied. But how many themes are being applied? Only one. I once again repeat, nothing to worry about this program because we don't know anything about this object, server object called session. So definitely you may not be in a position to understand. But my intention, I said now, only to demonstrate you that each page can be applied with only one theme. Only one theme. Here you're controlling the themes with button. Button 1, if you click, one theme is being applied. Button 2, if you click, another theme is being applied. Interesting is only one theme is being applied. That's it. We are done. Yes. Yeah. Next class may we will start. Not now. Next class may start.